namin. On the part of the Department of the Interior and Local Government, Ilocos Norte, as Head Secretariat po ng Provincial Peace and Order Council, ang ating mga City Municipal Local Government Operations Officer have also included sa kanilang mga POC meetings sa kanilang agenda ang conduct ng ating safe, orderly, and peaceful Ligtas Summer Vacation 2026. Of course, nandun din yung pagbigay ng guidance sa ating mga local government units, sa ating mga local DRRMOs in coordination with the provincial government of Ilocos Norte para smooth sailing ang ating pag-observe ng Lenten season, including yung ating moving up. Also, ang aming regional director, si Sir Jonathan Paul Lucen, siya po yung brainchild ng IWAS program or the Integrated Water Safety Program na tinitignan yung mga causes ng drowning incident in the region kasi na-observe maraming mga incidents ng drowning. So we encourage local government units, especially along coastal areas, na paigtingin ang kanilang pagbabantay sa ating mga tourists, including sa mga inland bodies of water, hindi lang sa coastal, sa ating mga river system. And with regards to the Office of the President Memorandum Circular, ang ating DILG Ilocos Norte is reporting 4 days a week, compressed 4-day work week, and yung pag-monitor din ng ating mga field officers is 24/7. For our law enforcement agencies, naka-deploy sila sa ating mga areas of convergence like yung ating mga simbahan, transport terminals, sa airport, mga busy streets. Sa ating mga MLGOs din, ang ating mga City Municipal Local Government Operations Officer are also monitoring yung ating mga incidents. So for DILG kasi 1:1 ang aming ratio, 1 DILG officer in 1 LGU. So nandoon pa rin kami para tignan ang safe observance, safe, orderly, and meaningful observance of the Lenten season. And of course, itong program na to, Ligtas Summer Vacation 2026, is a very laudable program in which yung ating mga law enforcement agencies, ang ating mga volunteers, civil society organizations, force multipliers, and ating mga local government units ay nagkakaisa. They work in a whole of government approach para maprotektahan ang ating mga tourists, commuters, and the general public. Napaka-importante na meron tayong unity, managkaysa, coordination, alignment, iisa yung direction natin, gawin natin ang ating mandato, and of course, sa ating mga deployed personnel, ang aming sinasabi parate is to always stay safe while we protect and serve and maintain peace and order and public safety. Kailangan din nating maintain ang ating mga sarili, safety first in responding, in patrolling, in coming or going to your place of work, station, and your assignment. So, yun lamang po for the